These things are coming to you guys at some of the best pricing you can get, right? Like 215,000 for a brand new, fully occupied build to rent home, okay? This is for you entry level folks, right? If you are looking to get into the Florida market, but don't have a lot of money to play with, like you're an entry-level investor, but you want to get into something nice down there in Florida, you want to be in a growth market, I got something for you. This is single-family model homes in Jacksonville, Florida, okay? These things are coming to you guys at some of the best pricing you can get, right? Like 215,000 for a brand new, fully occupied build to rent home, okay? This is for you entry level folks, right? You're an entry level person, but you don't want to be in like a stagnant, like low income Section 8, like Midwest 100-year-old Detroit home, right? You want something new, you want something fresh, you want something that's going to really gain value long term, but you're not a fucking millionaire. This is it right here, okay? Median pricing, right, in Jacksonville, okay? Median, just so everybody's aware, that means half the fucking houses are more expensive, the other half are fucking less expensive, just so we're all on the same page. It's like 315 G's, so this is like 100,000 less than that, right? So this is like your entry-level stuff. This will get you in Florida. This will get you in the Jacksonville area. This will get you going, right? The current rent, $1,288. That is going to grow, folks. Don't even focus on your current rent. You need to think, what's happening down there in Jacksonville, okay? What's going on? Where's my rent going to be 5 years from now? Where's my rent going to be 10 years from now? Well, it's fucking Florida, right? Most places in Florida, you know, a lot of the economy, right? They're thinking tourism and stuff, right? Like, fucking, oh my God, I'm going to Disney World, stuff like that, right? Well, Jacksonville, actually, a lot of their economy, not even like necessarily based on tourism, right? They have a lot of other stuff. They have like a decent amount of healthcare, finance, and my personal favorite, a lot of their economy is based on military contractors and stuff like that, okay? Folks, let me let you in on a little secret. This is the United States of America. Do you know what we do with a lot of our money? We spend that shit on the fucking military, okay? As long as there's a whole bunch of countries out there with oil, we're going to find a few reasons to spread that fucking American freedom, if you know what I'm talking about, okay? If you got oil under your country, America's going to give you some freedom, all right? So the military sector, that ain't gonna be going down anytime soon. So if you're smart and you're paying attention, you're like, hey man, we're America. We love fucking spending money on missiles and tanks and drones, okay? So it's really nice to be able to have your investments in areas where a lot of that is driving the local economy, man. We love spreading freedom. Unless you don't have oil under your country, then we don't care. We're not going to spread any of our freedom to you. But if you got our oil, we're going to give you some freedom. Anyway, yeah, I mean, we just gave freedom to Venezuela or whatever, right? We're like, hey, this guy, he's got a lot of oil. He needs some freedom. Let's throw him in the back of the copter. But anyway, I digress. It is a good place to go. Like, they're projecting the shit to literally grow at like more than 2 times like the national rate, right? Because, you know, again, freedom ain't free, baby. Anyway, so you got all that American freedom down there. That's going to keep your rent going up. It's going to keep the value of your house going up. You're below the median, okay? So it's nice entry-level stuff. Population gain, 2 times national average, baby. On top of all that, my friends at Rent to Retirement are going to hook you up with 1 year free property management. They're going to give you a $5,554 post-closing credit, so you can use that to do whatever you need to do. You could put that in your pocket. You could get your down payment lower. You could keep that as a reserve. You can do whatever you need to do. Plus, guess what, folks? With incentives, because of all the builders they work with, they're able to give you a 5.875% interest rate. Okay, talk about American freedom. You're able to get a interest rate under 6% in 2026 on a brand new house that's going to keep growing in value. You can't do that anywhere else, folks. You ain't able to get no 5.875% interest rate right now, today, as I speak to you anywhere else. So if that all sounds good to you, reach out to my friends at Rent to Retirement.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.